Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Dear students, welcome to Chemistry online classes. Today we are going to discuss about hydrocarbons, organic chapter, first PUC. That hydrocarbons. My dear students, the name itself says that hydrocarbons, organic compound containing hydrogen and carbon. Hydrogen and carbon is called hydrocarbons. Very simple, my dear students. The organic compound which contains hydrogen and carbon is called hydrocarbons. So these hydrocarbons, many type of hydrocarbons. First one is acyclic hydrocarbon or one type. Another type is aliphatic hydrocarbon, alicyclic hydrocarbon or aliphatic hydrocarbon. One more type is there, aliphatic. First is aliphatic hydrocarbon. It is also called, my dear students, aliphatic hydrocarbons also called or open chain hydrocarbons. Open chain hydrocarbon. And one more type of hydrocarbons is alicyclic hydrocarbons. Alicyclic hydrocarbons. Okay, my dear students, next is alicyclic hydrocarbons. Again, aliphatic hydrocarbon or open chain hydrocarbon divided into three types. Three types means in that one actually we can say that is two types, but we are okay. It gives three types means okay, general I can say like that. It gives two types. Again you have to divide further. First one is aliphatic or open chain hydrocarbons, that gives two more types. Then one is saturated hydrocarbons, another one is unsaturated hydrocarbons. My dear students, alicyclic hydrocarbon divided two types, my dear students. One is cyclic hydrocarbons, another one is aromatic hydrocarbons. Cyclic hydrocarbons, aromatic hydrocarbons. And this unsaturated hydrocarbon divide to two types, my dear students. Again it is alkene and alkyne. Saturated hydrocarbons is alkene. So this we are going to study in hydrocarbons, aliphatic or open chain hydrocarbons. Later you have to study about alicyclic hydrocarbons, cyclic, it gives alicyclic gives cyclic and aromatic. Aliphatic gives two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated again divided into two types, alkene and alkyne. Okay, this is about classification. My dear students, next we are going to study about aliphatic hydrocarbons. In hydrocarbons, what are aliphatic hydrocarbons? Aliphatic hydrocarbons are, it contains open chain carbon atom, open chain carbon atoms. These hydrocarbons contains open chain of hydrocarbons. Open chain of carbon atom. Okay, this is about aliphatic hydrocarbons. For example, my dear students, the chain is given like this, C, 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 and it is attached with the hydrogen. Here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is actually open chain hydrocarbon. Or any other example, CH2, double bond CH2. This is also an example for open chain hydrocarbons. Understood? These all comes under, or CH alkyne is an example for open chain hydrocarbons. Butane, example for open chain. Open chain means long chain of carbon atom. My dear students, long chain of carbon atom. Okay, students, aliphatic hydrocarbons also called acyclic compounds. Acyclic compound, also named acyclic compound. Note down, my dear students, aliphatic hydrocarbons. And in aliphatic, two important types are there that we discussed already. It is saturated hydrocarbons. What are saturated hydrocarbons? The question arises. These are hydrocarbons. These are hydrocarbons contains. These are hydrocarbons contains carbon carbon, CC, carbon carbon, single bond, carbon carbon, single bond. My dear students, for example, methane, CH4 actually. Here you can see carbon hydrogen single bond is there. Or if you want another one, propane, CH3, CH2, CH3. Between carbon carbon single bond is there. Correct now, my dear students? Propane, methane, ethane. Ethane also example for methane, propane. Ane comes. These are also called, these saturated hydrocarbons are also called alkanes, also named as alkanes. My dear students, alkane, cane, N-E-A-N-E, alkane. Alkane comes, it is carbon carbon single bond. WWF, cane. Cane comes, it is single bond. Remember like that. Understood? Alkane. Alkane is carbon carbon single bond. Any example you can, propane, methane, ethane, butane, pentane, butane, pentane, heptane. This is ANE. This is also called alkenes. Note down, my dear students. Next, my dear students, next we are going to study about unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. In this unsaturated hydrocarbons, my dear students, very important concept is unsaturated means it should contain double or triple bond. It is simple. Saturated means it contains carbon-carbon single bond. Unsaturated means carbon contains contains double or triple bonds. Okay, my dear students, in unsaturated hydrocarbons, these are definition. These are hydrocarbons. These are hydrocarbons contains carbon-carbon double bond or at least one. Sorry, here you should use one word actually. Contains at least one carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. Okay, carbon-carbon double bond. Here you can write in sentence carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. If it contains double bond between carbon-carbon double bond is present, then the name is called alkene. ENE. If it is single bond, ANE. See the difference, my dear students. If carbon-carbon single bond, then the name alkane. That we discussed in saturated hydrocarbons. Understood? Alkane, ANE comes. See here, carbon-carbon double bond is there, alkene. Carbon-carbon triple bond is there, then it is alkyne. These are example for alkene and alkyne are example for unsaturated. For example, few alkenes. See, CH2 double bond CH2, ethene, and one more CH3 propene. This is called CH3 single bond carbon double CH double bond CH2. This is actually prop 1-ene, or you can write propene. Understood? If the first position it contains carbon-carbon double bond, then you can directly write it as a propane. If it is in a second position, then you have to name it as prop2-ene. If it is in a third position double bond is there, that we will discuss later. Okay, we are going to detailed discussion is there about alkene. My dear students, alkyne, one example I will give you. CH triple bond CH, alkyne, there is nothing but ethane. These are example, my dear students. Or one more example is propine, CH3 single bond C triple bond CH, propine. or you can call it as prop-1-ine, propine or prop-1-ine, propine. Note down, my dear students, these are example for unsaturated hydrocarbons. Mainly unsaturated word says that it contains carbon-carbon double or triple bonds. Okay, note down. My dear students, next type of hydrocarbons, alicyclic hydrocarbons. In these alicyclic hydrocarbons, my dear students, very important concept is these are hydrocarbons. These are hydrocarbons These are hydrocarbons. Okay. In this, carbon atom are joined together to form a cyclic ring structure. In this, carbon atoms are joined together to form this carbon atoms are joined together to form cyclic ring. Cyclic ring structure. Okay, my dear students, same property as that of what property is shown by aliphatic hydrocarbon, same property also shows alicyclic, but it form actually carbon-carbon single bond is there, no? That will join together and it gives actually carbon atoms are joined together to form a cyclic ring structure. Okay, cyclic ring structure. For example, my dear students, cyclopropane. Here three carbon atom are joined together, correct? Here I will write, my dear students, CH2, CH2, CH2. Three CH2 are joined together and it form a cyclic compound, one cycle, correct? No? And this is called cyclopropane. Next is cyclobutane. Cyclobutane, my dear students, here 4 CH2. N means, you should know this, N, at the end N comes, N means carbon-carbon single bond, but here 4 carbon is there, bute means 4 carbon. 4 carbon are joined and forms a ring structure, cyclic ring structure. Cyclopentene, one more, my dear students. Here double bond is there, carbon-carbon double bond. Here CH 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Always remember, carbon having tetravalency can form maximum 4 bonds. Here one bond with this hydrogen, one bond with this carbon and another 2 bond with this carbon. So remember, so here 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. Yes, this is called cyclopentene. A double bond is there. So the name end with the "ene." Note down, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, next we are going to study about aliphatic hydrocarbons, my dear students. Aliphatic hydrocarbons, sorry, not aliphatic, aromatic. Aliphatic is over, sorry, aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay. These are hydrocarbons contains at least one benzene ring. At least one benzene ring. My dear students, that aromatic, that word derived from the Greek word aroma. Aroma means fragrance, you know that, aroma. Aroma, fragrance. Aroma, fragrance. Okay. That means pleasant odor. That means pleasant odor. O-D-O-U-R, O-D-O-U-R, pleasant odor. So my dear students, example is benzene. Benzene is an example. Toluene, CH3 is attached to this benzene ring, is called toluene. Orthoxylene, my dear students, ortho, you should know that which one is ortho position, like that. Imagine here one substituent group is there, this is actually CH3, then it is called as toluene, okay. For this group, this position is ortho position, this position is meta position, this position is para position, like that. From this side also, this position is ortho position, this position is meta position, this position is para position. Ortho, ortho, meta, meta, para, this is para. So this group, if any other group is attached to this side, means it is para position. For this group, this position is meta position. For this group, this position is ortho, nearby. Okay. Orthoxylene, my dear students, example is orthoxylene. In ortho position, one more CH3 group is attached. This is called orthoxylene. Orthoxylene. Okay. Suppose this CH group is attached to this position, then it is metaxylene. This position, paraxylene. Okay. You should know that which one is ortho, which one is meta, which one is para. My dear students, next example is 2-benzene ring, you can see. This is called naphthalene. Naphthalene, Naphthalene, naphthalene. These are example. In all this case, you can see benzene rings. Benzene rings. This is called benzene ring. This is called benzene ring. Benzene ring. If it contains at least one benzene ring, then it is called aromatic hydrocarbons. We are going to discuss about a new topic, hydrocarbons, from first PUC chemistry. That mainly we are discussing about alkanes. Okay, in hydrocarbons, first PU, alkanes. You know that, my dear students, what are alkenes? These are called saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons. Alkenes. Okay, general formula for alkane: CnH2n plus 2. N means number of carbon atom here. Okay. It is also called, my dear students, paraffins. Para means attraction. Understood? Fin, affinity. One type of attraction or little. Para means in a Greek word, Latin word, it is called actually little. Param. Little affinity. Little. Fin means affinity, attraction. Okay, this is a Greek word. Okay, this is a general formula for alkenes. Note down, my dear students. And for example, I will give you methane. Which shape it has? Tetrahedral shape. Bond angle is, my dear students, 109 degree 28 minutes. 109 degree 28 minutes. Bond angle. sp3 hybridization, my dear students. See, CH bond length is 154 picometer. 154 picometer and one more bond length is 112 picometer. Okay, and 112 picometer. These two bond lengths you can see. CH bond length. CC and CH. CC bond length is 154 CC. CH bond length is 112 picometer. My dear students, please note down CC bond length. If there any carbon chain is there in that, for example, propane. In this CH3, CH2, CH3. In this one, carbon bond length is 154 picometer. Carbon hydrogen bond length is 112 picometer. My dear students, next very important thing is nomenclature of alkanes. And in this one, my dear students, molecular formula, one column, another column, tribal name, old name or normal name, another IPAC name, IPAC. IPAC naming is important, my dear students. Please note down. Molecular formula, for example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is actually how many carbon atom is present in this one? Long chain. 4 carbon atom. Then it is bute. Okay, bute, B-U-T. 1 carbon atom, meth. 2 carbon atom, eth. 3 prop, bute, pent, hept, hex, hept, oct. Understood? Like that here study. Okay. In this one, 4 carbon atom is there, long chain, and it contains single bond, carbon single bond. So it is called long chain. In normal tribal naming is N-butane. butane, N-butane. Okay, students please note down, N-butane. Next, tribal naming, IUPAC naming, it is called normal butane. No need to write NX. N means long chain of butane. Long chain of butane. Understood? Wherever N comes, it is tribal naming. It is long chain of butane, and IUPAC name is butane. Normal butane. Understood? Next, CH3CH, CH3CH3. Here total, this is actually branch 1, 3 carbon and 1 branch is there, total 4 carbon, it is but only, correct? No? So here branched carbon is there, so this is long chain of carbon, here one branched carbon is attached to this long chain, so total number of carbon 4. So it is tribal name of this one is tribal name, my dear students, isobutane, iso, because it's a branched one. Understood? That is, students, same time isobutane. After that, the name IUPAC naming of this one. In which position? If you start naming this one, you can name it from. You can choose any long chain. You can choose 1, 2, 3. No problem. This become branched one. Or you can choose 1, 2, 3. No problem. This become branched one. You can name here 1, 2, 3. That also possible. I will start from 1, 2, 3. In second position, one methyl group is there. CH3 group is called methyl group. Methyl. So it is 2 methyl. So in second position, methyl group is there. 1, 2, 3. Total 3 carbon. 2 methyl prop, and all the carbon single bond. Ane. Propane. 2 methyl propane. My dear students, please note down. 2 methyl propane. No doubt. Next, 5 carbon I will give you. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Okay, 5 carbon. All are carbon single bond. This is N-pentane. Pentane, name end with the ANE. IUPAC name is pentane. Okay. For the same one, we will write iso compound. So CH3, CH, double bond CH3, CH2, CH3. See here, total number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this one is branch 1. Branch 1 means this methyl group is attached to long chain of carbon. We can name either from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, no problem, same. You should choose a long chain for naming. Other from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. I will start from, here the rules applicable. Which side you have to choose? Longest chain from this side. Why means in second position one group is attached. Which comes first, that you have to name from that side. Numbering from that side. Understood? For example, I can name a number from 1, 2, 3, 4 is possible. Understood? The 1, 2, 3, 4 is not possible. Why means here you should get this attached one in second position. See, while naming from here, numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get first attached group, correct? No, in second position. Suppose if you are naming from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, in third position you are getting attached group. So as the rule says, naming rule says actually should get branched one earlier, means attached group you should get earlier. You should give first number to that particular. First number means after this one you are getting second number for this. Okay. How to name this one, my dear students? Isopentane. Isopentane, tribal name. Isopentane. This one, IUPAC name, my dear student, in second position methyl group is there. 2 methyl. Here second position methyl group is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon. butane, 2-methyl butane, because carbon carbon single bond. My dear students, next one we are going to study is one of the important one, CH3, CH3. This is actually okay. Here you can see, my dear students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atom is there. That means it's a pentane only. But the name of this one is neopentane. Neopentane. Remember this one. This type is very important, my dear students. And what is actually IUPAC name of this one? That is very important, my dear students. You can choose any long chain for numbering, 1, 2, 3, you can choose, no problem. Or 1, 2, 3, you can choose. Or 1, 2, 3, you can choose, no problem. Or 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'll start any position you can see. 1, 2, 3. In second carbon, two other carbon methyl group is attached. This methyl group is attached to second carbon, this methyl group is attached to second carbon. Correct, no? Total 2 methyl group is attached to second carbon. In which position? Second carbon. So you have to write this one, my dear students. IUPAC name of this one 2, 2. That means I am writing 2 times 2, 2. In second position 1 methyl, another second methyl. In second position another methyl group. Second position 2 methyl group is there. So I am writing 2, 2 dimethyl. How many methyl? Dimethyl, my dear students, dimethyl. Here dimethyl. Here you look at this chain, longest chain, 1, 2, 3. Correct, no? That means 3 carbon atom is there. Dimethyl propane, 3. In carbon carbon single bond. Note down, my dear students. My dear students, next molecular formula. This contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. Trivial name of this one is isohexane. IUPAC name of this one, while naming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, longest chain. In second position methyl group is there. 2 methyl, total 5 carbon. Pentane, 2 methyl pentane. My dear students, next here. There is actually total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon only, but it is neohexane. Number from any side you can choose. This one is best because in second position you are getting 2 methyl group, 1, 2, 3rd, 4th number. So that means here first, second, third, fourth. Second position 2 methyl group is there, 1 methyl group, second methyl group. So how to name this one? 2, 2 comma 2 dimethyl. That means 2 methyl group is present. Dimethyl, total 4 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here long chain carbon atom, not total 4 carbon atom, long chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Except this 2. This 2 named already, 2, 2 dimethyl butane. Butane, my dear students, please name this one. My dear students, next topic is isomerism in this one, isomerism. Isomerism means same molecular formula but different structural formula. Different structural formula means not different structural formula, same molecular formula, different structure or different chain, understood? Different position, that and all there, different functional group. These are called isomerism. Here actually in alkane isomerism, it shows chain isomerism. Chain means different chain. For example, my dear students, already we discussed, no, I am not interested to write once again. Butane, isobutane and one more butane is there, N-butane, two types of isomerism. N means long chain, iso means branched one. So same molecular formula but different, that I will write butane. My dear students, how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Carbon C4. And how many hydrogen? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hydrogen 10. Molecular formula is C4H10. This is N-butane. Different chain is possible, my dear students, for this one. CH3, CH, CH2, sorry, CH3, CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, enough. CH3. Here you can see, my dear students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 hydrogen. But this one is called isobutane. Different chain formation is possible. Here, it is called chain isomerism. Same molecular formula but different chain formation. Understood? Same molecular formula but different chain formation is called chain isomerism. Here this is long chain, this is branched chain, but same molecular formula C4H10. Like that, in pentane it gives 3 isomerism, my dear students. 3 different chain formation is possible. Chain isomerism is possible. Pentane, 3 chain isomerism. Which are 3 chain isomerism? N-pentane, isopentane, neopentane. It is given in naming, correct? No? N-iso. In heptane, total 5, not heptane, in hexane, total 5 chain isomerism is possible. Chain isomerism is possible. 5 chain isomerism. Okay, if you want, I will write that one by one. Hexane. See, 6 carbon atom is attached. One, two, three, four, five, 6. This is called N-hexane, long chain. N-hexane, one type of chain isomerism. Next, another one is isohexane. Isohexane, I will write, my dear students. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is actually isohexane. Iso. CH3, CH, CH3. This is branched here, iso position. Or in second position, methyl group is that you know down 2-methyl pentane. 2-methyl pentane, or also called 2-methyl pentane. One more type is, this is first type of chain isomerism. Second type of chain isomerism. Next is third type of chain isomerism, my dear students, of hexane. This is actually neohexane. Next chain isomerism is possible, my dear students. It's actually CH3, CH2, CH3, 3 CH3 CH2 CH CH3, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is actually 3 methyl pentane. 3 methyl. In third position, what is there? See, you are naming from this side, same effect. 1 2 3 4 5. Naming 1 2 3 4 5. In third position, what is there? In third position, numbering. Numbering from this side also possible, this side also possible. It gives same. Correct, no? So in third position, methyl group is at as CH3 group. 3 methyl, 1 2 3 4 5 pentane. 3 methyl pentane. 3 methyl pentane. This is also one more type of chain isomerism. My dear students, please note. Next chain isomerism, last fifth one. Fifth chain isomerism, CH3 see, CH3 CH CH3 CH CH3 CH3, total 6 carbon. Correct, no? Hexane. Hexane means here if you are starting naming from this side 1 2 3 4, or you can start from this side 1 2 3 4, same, but you have to name 2 comma 3 in second and third position. 2 comma 3 dimethyl 2 methyl group is at us in second and third position. Dimethyl 1 2 3 4 means butane. This is also one type of chain isomerism of hexane. Hexane 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 chain isomerism is possible. Like that you study further, is not very important. Okay, just for your knowledge. Difference in chain but same molecular formula. It is called chain isomerism.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.